Now the Nikon ZR is an absolutely fantastic camera featuring internal red raw recording as well as fantastic autofocus, a sensor that matches that of the Lumix S1 II and Nikon Z6 III, which means it's a fantastic sensor, giving you great image quality. It's a very nice camera with a 4-inch display, but it has one fatal flaw that a lot of creators, including myself, have complained about. For a cinema camera, for a camera that you would call a cinema camera, which you are supposed to be using as like a handheld run and gun camera, and that is the fact that the grip on the Nikon ZR is atrocious. But you can see here that it's actually got a really good grip, but that's only because I have the best accessory right now available for the Nikon ZR, and that is the SmallRig half cage. Especially if you don't want to fully rig out your camera like me, I like having my minimal camera setup, so I don't like having the full body cage on the camera at all times unless I'm going to be fully rigging out the camera. Then I'll put that on. But for my everyday use, I like just having the body on its own. And in the past with my Sony ZV-E1 and my Sony A7C II, I've basically only just used like a base plate like this. Oh, that's falling. I'm gonna have to find that later. I've only just used like a base plate like this from Falcom. So I picked up this guy. This is the SmallRig half cage for the Nikon ZR, and it basically fixes that problem of the ZR not having a good grip whilst keeping the body low profile like the ZR was meant to be, and without adding any significant additional weight to it. I'm not going to take this off and show you on camera right now, but I am going to have B-roll on top just to show you how that cage goes on and how it looks before and after it's fitted. But I think this is probably one of the best accessories to get if you have just picked up a Nikon ZR and are worried about the fact that it doesn't have a good grip and you don't want to use the full body cage available from SmallRig. Then this half cage is definitely the solution, because it gives you that, look at that, that's a full grip that I've got on that camera right now. And when you kind of, you know, if you want to use it like this, if you want to use it for photography, if you want to use it for that casual run and gun scenario and just like, you know, vlogging or whatever it is you want to do with the ZR, and you're a content creator like me who wants to keep that minimal setup, then definitely having that grip there is very, very worth it. And one of the cool things about this grip is it also has that 1/4 inch, 3/4 inch, I don't know what it's got a thread on the side. So if you do want to add things like a side handle here or any other attachments, then you've still got that option of being able to do so on the side. Plus you've got the base plate that is an Arco-Swiss plate, but I've got an additional attachment. This video isn't sponsored by SmallRig in any way, so I have no problems with showing you that I've also got a Falcom base plate attached with a double thread, because that means that it doesn't move around at all, and then I can use this with the Falcom ecosystem that I'm using across all my tripods, as well as my DJI-RS4 and anything else. So this works seamlessly together, and also, you know, if I'm using it vertically, it actually gives me a bit of an additional grip here, which somebody on the internet has actually pointed out to me that you can do, which is quite handy. As you can see, it doesn't add much to the camera at all. It just looks like it's part of the camera. It blends in very, very well, and that's why I like it so much, because it just means that it keeps that low profile feel of the camera, and I really do like that. I've left a link to the SmallRig half cage as well as the full cage down in the description box below, as I definitely think it is worth grabbing the half cage if you are going to be using the Nikon ZR. It's just a must. I think it's an absolute must that you have this half cage, or any half cage that comes out for it, depending on which one you prefer. But right now I'm using the SmallRig one, and this is the one that's working the best for me. It's a nice rubberized grip, feels good in the hand. Definitely recommend it. If you found this video useful, then please do hit that like button, and if you have any questions about anything that I haven't mentioned in this video, then leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer that. Hope you enjoyed the video in general. If you did, then please consider subscribing, and I will leave you guys there. Until next time, this is Kai24 signing out.